Hello viewers. Today we are going to talk about stretching. Stretching is a form of physical exercise in which a specific muscle is deliberately flexed or stretched in order to improve the muscle's elasticity and achieve comfortable muscle tone. Now, you will ask, is stretching good for you? The answer is obviously yes. There are many benefits to regular stretching. Not only stretching help increase your flexibility, which is an important factor of fitness, but it can also improve your posture, reduce stress and body aches. We will see various benefits of stretching, plus how to start a stretching routine. Number 1 benefit of stretching is stretching increases your flexibility. Now, regular stretching can help increase your flexibility, which is crucial for your overall health. Not only can improved flexibility help you to perform everyday activities with relative ease, but it can also help delay the reduced mobility that can come with aging. Number 2. Increases your range of motion. Yes, being able to move a joint through its full range of motion give you more freedom of movement. Stretching on regular basis can help increase your range of movement. One study found that both static and dynamic stretching are effective when it comes to increased range of motion. Number 3. Improves your performance in physical activities. If you are an athlete, then this is relevant to you. Performing dynamic stretches prior to physical activities have been shown to help prepare your muscles for the activity. It may also help improve your performance in an athletic event or exercise. At number 4, stretching increases blood flow to your muscles. Yes, performing stretches on regular basis may improve your circulation. Improved circulation increases blood flow to your muscles, which can shorten your recovery time and reduce muscle soreness. Number 5, stretching improves your posture. Yes, muscle imbalances are common and can lead to poor posture. One study found that a combination of strengthening and stretching specific muscle group can reduce pain and encourage proper alignment. That, in turn, may help you improve your posture. Number 6. Stretching helps to heal and prevent back pain. Tight muscles can lead to decrease in range of motion. When this happens, you increase the likelihood of straining the muscles in your back. Stretching can help heal an existing back injury by stretching the muscles. A regular stretching routine can help you prevent future back pains by strengthening your back muscles and reducing your risk for muscle strain. Stretching is great for stress relief. When you are experiencing stress, there is a good chance your muscles are tensed. That's because your muscle tends to tighten up in response to physical emotional stress. Focus on area of your body where you tend to hold your stress, such as your neck, shoulders and upper back. And for a working person, it is necessary to relieve your stress as much time as possible. It can calm your mind. Yes, participating in regular stretching program not only helps increase your flexibility, but it also calm your mind. Focus on mindfulness and meditation exercise, which give you mind a mental break. At number 9, stretching helps decrease tension headaches. Tension and stress headaches can interfere with your daily life. In addition to a proper diet, adequate hydration and plenty of rest, stretching may help reduce the tension you feel from headaches. At number 10, it improves mechanical efficiency and overall performance. Because a flexible joint requires less energy to move through a wider range of motion, a flexible body improves overall performance by creating more energy efficient movements. Are you still here? We are going to say important benefits of stretching. That is, it improves your happiness. It lifts your spirit. You are lively. You want to live this life. That's the greatest benefit of stretching. Thank you.